How to change video speed in KineMaster. First of all, open the KineMaster app and create a new project or open an existing one where you want to change the video speed. Once you are in the editing workspace, tap on the video clip in the timeline to select it. After selecting the clip, a menu will appear on the right side. Tap on the speed option from the menu. You will now see a speed adjustment slider. Drag the slider to the right to increase the speed or to the left to slow down the video. You can preview the video in real time as you adjust the speed to see how it looks. You can also mute the audio or choose to keep the original pitch depending on your preference. When everything is set, you can continue editing or tap the export button to save your edited video. Now you know how to easily change video speed in KineMaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.